On Facebook, one of the wonderful things about it, because Facebook has so much data on all of us, is that you can use Facebook to find more customers who are the same as us. So, for instance, if you're selling fluffy toys on Amazon and you have your page, Fluffy Toys Inc., where you know people who are fluffy toy collectors have liked your page, then you can ask Facebook to create a custom audience where Facebook will then go and look at every single person on Facebook, 1.3 billion people, and see who is very, very similar to your perfect customer, and then show your advert to them. That's one of the great things about Facebook. And so what Hiten says is, what is the minimum amount of likes that you can have, not should have, can have to facilitate that? And the answer to that is 100. I'm going to say 100 people is the minimum that you can have. All right, Facebook will build an audience for you based on 100 people. However, clearly, the more people you have, the better, because you then give Facebook more data that it can then utilize to go and find more of your perfect customers. So that's extremely important. Also, there is a huge difference between somebody that likes your page on Facebook, which displays zero buying desire to do that. That does not make them a customer or even potential customer. It just means they like your page. So there's a big difference between somebody that likes your page and somebody that buys your product. Huge difference between those two things. I will guarantee each and every one of us likes the idea of being healthy, going to the gym, going for a run, swimming. We like the idea of that. We would like that page on Facebook. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Fit, healthy, longer lives. I'm all for it. But there's a big difference between that and going to the gym every day for an hour and a half. Huge difference between those two things, all right? So be mindful of that. Be mindful of what's called the data set, the people who you are using to build your custom audience out of. Because if you use a low number of people, say 100 people, who would never ever go to the gym, to find people to become members of your gym, you are screwed from the get-go. It will not work. So you must, if you're looking to make sales, build your custom audience around people who have purchased your product. That's the only way to do it. Anything outside of that, it ain't going to work so well. You know, you might get lucky, but it ain't going to work so well, Hiten. So be mindful of your initial data you are using to create your custom audience, your lookalike audience. Be careful who they are, because you'll just get more of them. You'll get more of them. So you could end up feasibly with 150,000 people who are possibly going to like your page. Awesome. But really, a page like is just a vanity metric. It means nothing. The only thing that matters is, will they buy your product? It's the only thing that matters. Anything outside of that is good for social media gurus to impress you with their 20 bazillion likes, but it don't impress me, because I know that a like is not a dollar. The only thing that makes a dollar is a buyer. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.